Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, a lot of you asked me, how did you score this much? So, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how I scored 95 marks in board exam of maths. Honestly, मैंने कुछ गलतियां कर दी थी, but leave that. So, in today's video, I'm going to answer you that how did I score this much marks. Honestly, no fake topper story, no over dramatic struggle. This video is especially for those students who feel like maths मुझसे नहीं होती, or those who are already decent but want to push their score to 90 plus or 95% or even 100. But before that, in the last of this video, I'm going to reveal a secret thing that I think उससे आपका काम बहुत आसान हो जाएगा और यू विल थैंक्स मी. बट उसके लिए आपको लास्ट तक वीडियो देखना पड़ेगा, बट ट्रस्ट मी, दैट इज अ गेम चेंजर. सो grab a notebook, relax, and let's talk. Let me clear one thing first. I was not always good at maths. Before class ninth, I was honestly very bad. Like formulas देख के ही सर दर्द होने लग जाता था. But something changed in class ninth. I don't know how, but suddenly maths started making sense. I worked on my basics, practiced regularly, and guess what? I scored really well in class ninth, almost, I think, 98, and that confidence carried into class 10th. So, no, I did not magically become good in class 10th. It was a slow glow up, and that's important to understand. One thing that helped me a lot was my mindset. I never studied maths thinking कि मुझे पूरे मार्क्स लेके आने हैं. I studied thinking मुझे सभी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. Boards don't ask you out of the world questions, they test clarity, basics, and consistency. If your basics are clear, half the battle is already won. Now let's talk about books because everyone keeps asking this. I did not run behind 10 different books, I kept it simple and effective. NCRT was my main book, and trust me, NCRT is king. I solved every example, every exercise slowly and properly. And you won't believe me, but मुझे अभी तक सारे क्वेश्चंस, मतलब बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस याद हैं. लाइक दैट गुलाब जामुन वाला क्वेश्चन, दैट इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मेरे को अभी भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस याद हैं. सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट आपकी एनसीईआरटी फिंगर टिप्स पे आपको रटी हुई होनी चाहिए. Even the questions felt that easy because boards love easy questions with tricky twist. Then I used R.D. Sharma, and that is very good book. But you don't have to solve each and every question. बस आप प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन कर लीजिए, वहाँ से एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर के क्वेश्चन कर लीजिए, दैट्स इट. वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेंगी. सो दैट्स इट. These three books are important, like two books only, NCRT and R.D. Sharma. Now, this part is very important. In the last few months, I focused a lot on sample question papers and PYQs. Solving previous year questions makes you realize, oh, ये टाइप के questions बार बार आ रहे हैं. I did not just solve them, I analyzed my mistakes, corrected them, and noted them down. That's how your score jumps from 90, like 85 to 95. So, practice plus analysis equals to deadly combo. Now, coming to the most asked question. Last month बचा है, अब क्या करें? If you have already studied, then chill a little, revise NCRTs, solve sample paper, work on presentation. Steps should be clean, diagrams neat, formulas clearly written. And if you have not started properly yet, listen to me carefully. Don't panic, panic is useless. Practice is powerful. Start with NCRT, focus on high weightage chapters, learn formulas daily, solve R.D. Sharma, like the questions of previous year and from NCRT exemplar. So even 4 to 5 hours of honest study, you can get solid marks. Okay. Late start does not means zero result, but you should be consistent. Okay. Talking about YouTube, yes, it helped me, but wisely. I will be very honest. I had coaching of maths in class 10th and it actually helped me a lot. But for YouTube channels, in my opinion, Shobit Bhaiya is really good for strategy and motivation. And Ritik sir from Physics Wala explains concepts really well. You can refer to both of them. Both teachers are very good. So, yes. But remember, YouTube should be your support system, not your full time job. So, yes, this is exactly how I scored 95 marks in maths in class 10th board exam. No exaggeration, no lies, but the most awaited thing is here. जैसे कि मैंने वीडियो की स्टार्टिंग में बोला था, सो लाइक मैंने बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम्स दिए थे इन 2024 और मैंने काफ़ी सारे प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन भी करे थे. सो आई एग्जैक्टली नो which questions to repeat themselves again and again over the years, so I can prepare a video like for the most important questions that will definitely come, or the most probability to come in the exam. Like there are a lot of questions that repeats a lot. Like you can take that example that we have to prove the question, like root 5 is a irrational number. Like that type of questions repeat themselves again and again. So most probably every year, so there are a lot of questions like that which repeats themselves. So I can prepare a video on that, so you can comment down. अगर आप comment करेंगे then only I prepare that. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. All the best for your exams. Trust me, you are way more capable than you think. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. All the best.